Start with the rundown on PPE.
PPE, hard hat, ear protection, full mask, face protection, safety vest at all time, especially around equipment, gloves for hand protection, and then your chaps. You want these at all times when you're handling a running chainsaw.
What's the reason for that?
You'll cut your leg off and end up with a nice scar on your kneecap like I got. These, personal opinion, also involved in the PPE. This can save your life from a tree falling back on your head.
What are they?
These are going to be shims for felling trees and or propping trees open to log them up.
All right, these are pretty simple. They're just one strap around the waist.
Legs, you're going to have 2 straps per leg. You do want them fairly tight so they're not flapping around and getting caught on brush and sticks when you're walking through the woods.
What about boots whenever you're in the woods? Any requirements?
I think steel toe boots are required.
I like. Right.